Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we are going to read class 4 English lesson number 2. Each one is unique. Unique means of being its own importance, means that is different from others. See this image. Whose picture is this? Has he lost his hand? He is Devendra Jhajharia. Devendra Jhajharia is an Indian Paralympic javelin thrower. He is the first Paralympian who won 2 gold medals at the Paralympics. So, let us read how he lost his hand and what are his achievements. Devendra Jhajharia was born in 1981 and he is from Churu district in Rajasthan. Devendra Jhajharia born in Churu district in Rajasthan in year 1981. At the age of 8, while climbing a tree, he touched a live electric cable. Climbing means to move up towards the top of something. When Devendra Jhajharia was of 8 years, he climbed a tree and accidentally he touched a live electric cable. He received medical attention, but the doctors had to cut off his left hand. His family members took him to the hospital, but doctors had to cut off his left hand. But he was confident and was very much interested in sports. Confident means to sure about our abilities. Devendra Jhajharia was so sure about his abilities and has very much interest in sports, so he doesn't lose his confidence after losing his hand. He joined a sports academy. In 2002, Jhajharia won the gold medal in Korea. In year 2002, he won gold medal in Korea. In 2004, Jhajharia qualified for his first summer Paralympics representing India at Athens. Paralympics. What is Paralympics? An international athletics competition for disabled. And representing means be present officially for other people. So, Jhajharia qualified his first summer Paralympic competition and represent India at Athens. Paralympic competition is different from other competition as it is for disabled ones. At the games, he set a new world record in javelin throw at a distance of 62.15 meter and got the gold medal. As you see in the picture, he is throwing some stick, that is javelin throw or bhala fake. So, his game was javelin throw and he threw his stick at 62.15 meter and got gold medal. And he became the only second gold medalist at the Paralympics for his country. And he was the only second gold medalist who wins gold for his country. His success in Athens honored him with 2004 Arjun Award. He got Arjun Award in 2004. He received India's prestigious Padma Shri Award in March 2012 from the President of India, becoming the first Paralympian to be honored with the award. Honored means to show great respect for someone. So, he won Padma Shri Award, most prestigious award of India. He got it in March 2012 from the President of India. And he was the first Paralympian to be honored with Padma Shri Award. He won a silver medal at Doha, Qatar in 2015. He has recently won a gold medal in Summer Paralympics at Rio de Janeiro. So, his journey is continue and like him, we should also not lose confidence. Whatever the situation, we should be always ready to do what we want to do. So, that was about Devendra Jhajaria. Let us see some questions. Where was Devendra Jhajaria born? Devendra Jhajaria was born in Churu district in Rajasthan. Why was his hand cut off? Answer is, while climbing a tree, he touched a live electric cable, so doctors had to cut off his left hand. For what did he get gold medal in 2004? He got gold medal in 2004 for javelin throw. When was he awarded Padma Shri Award? He was awarded with Padma Shri Award in March 2012 by President of India. So, that was all about Devendra Jhajaria. Hope you all understand and get inspired from him. Thank you.